Deciphering the phrase, throwing shade. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a popular phrase you might hear in conversations, movies, or on social media, throwing shade. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also know how to use it in your own conversations. Throwing shade is a colloquial phrase, primarily used in American English, that means to subtly insult or criticize someone. The term suggests the act of casting a shadow over someone, symbolizing the idea of darkening someone's reputation or making a negative comment. For example, did you hear how Lisa commented on Jenny's dress? She was totally throwing shade. I don't need your advice can be a way of throwing shade if said sarcastically. The term, throwing shade, comes from Black and LGBTQ+ communities in the United States, especially from the ballroom scene in the 1980s and 1990s. It gained wider popularity from the documentary, Paris is Burning, and was later adopted into mainstream culture. One thing to note is the subtlety involved in throwing shade. It's not a direct insult but rather an indirect, often sassy comment. For example, direct insult, your dress is ugly. Throwing shade, interesting choice of dress for the party. The latter doesn't outright say anything negative, but the implication is clear. To help you better grasp the concept, let's see a few more examples. 1. Every time she mentions my old job, I feel like she's throwing shade. 2. Why are you throwing shade at me? I didn't do anything wrong. 3. He's the master of throwing shade without sounding rude. There you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of what throwing shade means, its origins, and how to use it. Remember, language is always evolving, and by understanding phrases like this, you're on your way to sounding more fluent and in tune with modern English. Hope this video has been enlightening. Stay curious, and keep learning.